Next to a thief or a guy who didn't want to take showers, the worst thing you could have in a cell partner or a bunk partner in a dorm is a guy who snores. And I'm not talking like a minor, like, kind of snore. I'm talking about one of those loud, like, earth-shaking snores. My second cell partner when I got to Powhatan receiving was a guy literally named Guy. He was Italian, and apparently that's a thing. But he snored so loud it felt like it was shaking the bunk. So even with earplugs, even with the pillow folded over my head, it was almost impossible to sleep. And he wasn't half as bad as some of the guys that I met years later, but he was the last person that I moved in with who snored. There was a guy named Paul at the last dorm that I was at. He snored so loud that even at the other end of the 82-man dorm, guys would be complaining about it. And the guys who'd been diagnosed with sleep apnea could eventually get a CPAP machine, which would really help with the snoring. But guys who either didn't want to go to the doctor or didn't actually have sleep apnea but just snored horribly, they were the worst.